happy spring.
Yeah.
It's finally spring.
Yep, the first of spring.
And we're drawing a butterfly.
Butterfly.
Yep. And this is gonna be part 1 to butterfly, because after we learn how to draw a butterfly today, we're going to
Do a butterfly challenge.
Yeah, we're gonna draw 10 different types of butterfly and challenge each other to see who can draw the most different ones. Okay, so let's get started to learn how to draw a butterfly.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is gonna be a simple one. We're gonna start with a round circle in the middle. That's the butterfly head. Ooh, yes. And then we're going to draw a oval right underneath it, long, because butterflies are bugs, right? And they have a body. And a tail, another small, slender oval, right underneath that. That's the butterfly. Cute, right? Well, not yet, I guess. We're gonna draw some cute eyes. So let's draw some small circles inside of the butterfly's head and leave a small corner uncolored so that it looks like a little shine part in the butterfly eyes. Yeah, good job. And we're just gonna draw a little smiley on the butterfly face. Yep. And here's the antenna. Butterflies have antennas, right? We're going to draw a curved line out and draw a swirl. Good job. And another one on the other side. Out and a swirl. It's like a spiral, huh? Okay, so this butterfly is gonna have 4 hands and then 2 legs. Because butterflies have 6 legs.
Yeah.
Because it's a bug. So we're just gonna draw a little diagonal line out on one side and another on the other. And this one we're gonna let it go out and then make it bend downwards for the other side too. And then same with the last pair of legs, another bendy one. And for the last one, we're gonna draw a little rain boot to make it cute. So on the last set of legs that you drew, draw a line perpendicular, and then 2 little lines from that perpendicular line in a round and horizontally coming back in for a boot. And we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. Horizontal line, 2 straight lines down, and a rounded boot. Yeah. And then the most important part of the butterfly.
The wings.
Yes, we're gonna draw some beautiful wings. And this butterfly is gonna have big, majestic wings. So let's draw a diagonal line out to one side. And then we're going to draw a little curved line in a little and then bring it back out. So I'll show you. I'm gonna draw a curved line in and out like this. Kind of like, it's gonna look like an elephant ear at the end. Yeah, and then this little last curve, we're gonna bring it in just slightly. And then draw another line out and down and back into the tail of the butterfly. Yeah, and then we're gonna draw the same thing on the other side. So we drew a diagonal line out. Let's make sure it's kind of even on both sides. And then curve it down, and we're almost drawing like a sideways M shape. Yeah, good job. And then a diagonal line out and back in like this. decorate it now. And you can decorate it however way you want. We picked lots of colors. Well, Mia picked a ton of colors because we're also gonna draw flowers down here, right? So let's get coloring.
Yep.
In Art Along Friends, butterflies have all kinds of shapes and colors, so you can put lots of patterns on your butterfly too.
Really, anything would make a butterfly.
Yeah, they're so beautiful, right? So don't forget to join us next time to see what kind of other butterflies we draw, right?
Yep.
I have loads of ideas on what kind of wings I'm gonna draw.
Me too.
You do?
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna give my butterfly a bucket.
Why?
She's collecting pollen.
Maybe you can draw a flower with pollen or something on the bucket or something to mark it's hers.
What's your favorite thing about spring?
That you see rainbows a lot.
Oh, because there is a little bit more rain and sunshine?
Yeah. Question.
Yeah?
Is there always a pot of gold at the end of the rainbow?
That's a good question. What do you think?
I don't think there is.
You think it's only some rainbows?
I think it's only on St. Patrick's Day, but nobody knows for sure.
That's a good theory, though. It makes sense, because...
Wouldn't the leprechaun already put his gold away?
Yeah, maybe. I don't know. I always thought there was a pot of gold at the end all the time.
Yeah, but nobody knows for sure.
That's right. What is that?
Witch's broom.
A witch's broom? What's going on with the witch's broom?
She's getting out of the sunshine and the butterflies come out. But she does not like butterflies.
Oh, I see. I think I'm done.
Me too. Wait,
Okay.
not done yet.
What is it? What are you missing? Ooh, you're doing some markings? Wow. I love that you did the patterns. Done? Well, there you go, Art Along Friends. A butterfly. Happy first day of spring.
Bye, see you next time.